it is this synthetic lace front wig in this beautiful platinum color. And it has 3 clips. So there's a clip right over here, a clip right over here, and a clip right over here. This wig was sent to me from HEAHAIR, and it is so pretty. As soon as I received it, I was like, wow, like this is what kind of inspired me to go blonde. Like my mom told me to go blonde, but once I tried on this wig, my brother was like, you look good with that color. And my mom was like, you look good with that color. You should definitely change your hair color. So thank you, HEAHAIR, for inspiring me to change my color. It's a lighter color, so it's gonna be very different, and obviously longer than my real hair. So yeah, we're gonna try this on. I will be linking down everything below, and I also want to say that they're extremely affordable. So like, I know many companies that sell wigs for so expensive, but this is extremely affordable, and it was shipped to me fast. I don't know if it was shipped to me fast because, you know, she wanted me to do a video and stuff because it was sent to me, but it was really fast. And as you can see, I already cut the lace, and it also has like baby hairs, which is so cute. I actually have a picture with this wig on my Instagram. I will put it here so you guys can see, and let's get ready to put this wig on. This is the wig, guys. It is so pretty. You know what I really love about this wig is that there is literally no shine on it, so it makes it look like it's not synthetic, and I absolutely love this wig. This is definitely like one of the best wigs that I have received. I mean, it inspired me to go blonde, so that says it all. I just put these like little clippy thingies, you know, to make myself a little cute, a little more cute, and we are ready for our sugar daddy. Yes. So with this look, you will definitely get a sugar daddy. Go get yourself a nice blonde wig, put it on, or if you're a blonde, great. I'm a blonde myself, but my hair is really ratchet right now, and I really think that this wig is like perfect for sugar baby material. And just put some nice hoops on, you know, make sure that highlight is popping, girl. Get you one of these shirts. Or if you prefer, you know, something sexy, which will attract them even more. Yeah, this will definitely get you a sugar daddy, because I know, you know, I'm the expert of sugar daddies. That's why I have one.